Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, I put out a couple of tweets this morning, a couple of things we need to look at. If you go over to Telegram, if you use Telegram, there's a channel called Maiar Exchange Announcements, and there's a bit of information here. This was from, I think, last night, around about midnight, probably 11 p.m. UTC, if you like. It said testing on testnet will start tomorrow. The setup is taking longer, so we begin fresh in the morning. That would be this morning. We are targeting go out of maintenance tomorrow evening. Okay, it's Monday evening that will be. Things we have in mind post maintenance: extending no penalty for withdrawals, extending week 2 MEX reward rates, extending staking snapshot for next launchpad project. That's quite important, I think, to accommodate funds presently on the DEX. Funds are safe, excellent. Rewards are accumulating. Now, a few people have asked about this. I don't exactly understand how they are accumulating, but if they are, that's good. Stay tuned for the next updates. Thank you for your support. Okay, so there was that. So if you use Telegram, definitely go and look for this Maiar Exchange Announcements, and you'll see that over there. Now, the other one I put out was by this Sever MM, who seems to be an Elrond guy, and he was the one who pointed out the Telegram Maiar Exchange Announcements channel, and there's some quite interesting replies to his tweet here. And what I liked here was, "Hi Sever, do you think the launch of Holoride will be done on Tuesday, or can we have a delay?" And he said, "The decision makers are discussing the options and context at the moment. No decision yet. Personally, I want Ride to launch good more than I want it to launch tomorrow. Let's wait for the official announcement." Okay, I'm really happy about that because, as you know, I've got some EGLD unstaking at the moment. I don't have any rides, so I want to be able to get Ride and partake in that and share my results. A lot of people saying you're doing a good job, all that kind of thing. This looks pretty positive. People talking about the testnet. There's people willing to help, which is really good. Anyway, there's some interesting stuff over there. So, yeah, you'll find them if you follow me on Twitter, Save with Crypto. You'll find the link in the description of this video. You'll see these 2 tweets that I've just recently put out. So there's a Sever MM to follow as well. But yeah, I'll keep you updated about what's happening. So it looks like we're looking at tonight. So I'll probably be asleep. So I might make another video later today about something else. But otherwise, I think my next Maiar video will be tomorrow morning on Tuesday. So yeah, but thanks for watching the videos and giving me a bit of encouragement and all that kind of thing. That's really good. So if you've enjoyed the video, please press like. If you didn't enjoy it, please press dislike. In fact, press it twice to make really sure that I know you don't like it. And also, please do subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell, and above all, tell your friends.